Peggy from Humble has a question about furnace replacement.
Well, her AC and heating system's over 20 years old, Tom.
Good.
It's old enough to vote.
Got their money worth.
Peggy writes, I've had my systems checked regularly, she writes, and normally repair and service what's recommended. So she's a good doobie. She's taking good care of her system. Now, she says, my heating system shows signs of rust. Should the AC and heating systems be replaced at the same time? Is it really one system, or is it compatible systems? And what about the ducts and vents and work, all that stuff replacement? What say you, Tom?
Just a simple answer. You can just replace the furnace. If your air conditioning system's working fine, it's fine. Ducts, fine. You don't have any problems. Just replace the furnace. The furnace has two things. It has the furnace, and it has the blower motor, the fan motor that moves all the air through the ducts, whether it's air conditioning or heating. But besides that, you can replace it. It doesn't have to be the same brand. It doesn't have anything to do with the SEER ratings, which a 20-year-old unit, you don't care about that anyway. But if your old unit is still working fine, just replace the furnace. Simple.
Okay. Is there any economy of scale in doing both at the same time? None. Okay.
No, because if you replace the entire air conditioning system, outside is the big condensing unit. Right. So you can replace that anytime. Inside, all you have is the evaporator coil, which can be replaced anytime too. The furnace is just kind of the backbone of the unit.
So just taking a step forward for Peggy, when it comes time to replace that AC, you may not even have to replace the whole thing.
Right. I just replaced the condenser on my house, and the evaporator coil is fine. So, no, you don't have to replace the whole thing. So just fix what's broken, and don't try to put unless you want to just put a whole new system in because it's old. That's up to you.
That was some kind of happy day at Absolute Comfort Air. How many years have I been telling you to change that thing? Tom has steadfastly said, my system is going to last forever.
Well, not forever, but I got 22 out of it. And I got to where the R22 is back in vogue again, so I didn't have to replace all the R410A and do all that. I'm back to an R22 unit, brand new.
They're popping corks at Absolute Comfort Air. They finally sold Tom a condenser.
It had to. Mine was not good.
It was nasty.
It finally blew.
And you can see it now at the Museum of Natural Science.
No kidding.
No, you can't. All right, but what you can see is lots of more answers, especially if you send us yours. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com using that Ask Tom form. And you'll see over there more videos that we've answered before. We can answer yours just like that. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell. We'll ring you when we post it.